Hey guys, so we're gonna be unboxing something. I don't know what it is, but let's unbox it. It's a video light kit. Oh my gosh.
Hey, we're gonna have to
Okay. Oh. How? Okay. So it's open. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take it out. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay, so I guess it's a ring light. Is there two? There's two ring lights. That is so good. Mommy, I hope you will let me use one. Okay, let's put it together. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to put it together. We kind of put it together yesterday, but I want to show you because we didn't get that on camera. So this is the pole. It came like down. You can put it down. And then if you want it tall, you can just pull it up, push it up, and just tighten it over here. And this is where you put your camera. You put your camera over here. If you have a big wide camera, you can do this. And this is a light. You can do it two ways. You can do it either this way, or you can do it this way. All you have to do is just put this in, just this way, and just roll this. You know, you can roll this, or you can twist it. Just roll this right here. I'm going to show you on camera. Right there. I don't know if you can see that. And that's the light. And make sure you tighten this so it doesn't like wiggle. Tighten this. And you can bend it. If you have like a food content, you can bend it, or you can make it just stand up, straight up. And that's that. Also, you have the wires. It doesn't come with a head, so you have to use a head, or you use like a USB plug or something. And this is where you turn it on. You have different lights. You have the bright lights, you have the yellow lights. I'm gonna try it and then I can show you guys what the lights look like. And basically that's it. You know, this is also travel size. You know, you have a bag as well. It came with a bag, so you can put it in if you want to take it out, travel with you as well. So I think it's a cool, you know, thing to have. I love it. I've used it today and I love it. I love how bright the light is. So yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to show you guys how my office look before, and this is without flash. So this is how my office look before the light, and here it is now. Let's see, and this is it. See how bright it is. This is just one. You know, if you want to change it, this is a light. It's very bright actually. If you want to turn it off, turn it on. You want to change the lights, make it brighter. This is different lights to make it dark. If you want to change the color, I think this is it here. So this is the yellow light. See? See? It's actually cool. So I mean, it's a very cool thing. I would recommend if you into like pictures or videos. You know, you don't have enough lights in your room, so this is a good thing to use. And this is the base. This is where you turn the lights. This is when you turn it on. I think this is to increase the brightness. This is to change the color of the light. I wish you had a remote actually. You know, that would be really cool, but still it's really a nice thing to have. And I'm just going to enjoy it. I'm just going to put it right here. As you can see, Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll be posting new content soon. Thank you. This is the box. I'm gonna be putting the link below, and now we're gonna use the lights to unbox the next content.
Thanks for watching.